This message is transmitted at the request of the Seattle Police Department, approximately 2:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Multiple reports of a creature running around the streets. Is it believed that is it not hostile from now? Residents of Seattle should lock all of your doors, windows, and go to the nearest basement with the lowest floor immediately. Grab food, water, medical supplies, as well as a flashlight and a full battery-powered radio. Tune to the 1070 a.m. from now. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation. This message is transmitted at the request of the Seattle Police Department, approximately 2:38 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The creature that was seen 8 minutes ago are breaking into people's home, attacking them, brutally kill them, and abduct young children over 3 to 14 years old. The creature, now named Jaxig, is 5 feet inches tall, 50 pounds, with a long teeth sharp as tiger, a long nail sharp as bears, and black glowing eyes. Don't even try to fight, he is stronger than us. Don't run away from him, he's very faster than us. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. An error has occurred, please stand by. An error has occurred, please stand by. This message is transmitted at the request of the Seattle Police Department, at around 2:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Jaxig is now 10 feet tall, 10 pounds, he's stronger, faster, and creepier than we thought. Residents of Seattle should stay at your basement. Jaxig kills people still, and is it believed that he starts robberies?